Hi everybody, I'm Kelly and welcome to my video tapping for headache relief. Before we get started, I'd like to recommend that you have a glass of water to hand. It's very important to keep hydrated throughout the tapping process, but also because dehydration is probably one of the major causes of headaches. So yeah, keep yourself hydrated throughout this session, please. And we're just going to start off by giving our headache intensity a score out of 10. So 0 would be no headache at all, and 10 would be a really intense, painful headache. So if you just take a few seconds to, take a few deep breaths and just really focus in on your headache and how painful it is. Okay, and just give that headache intensity a score out of 10. Alright, so we're going to start by tapping on the karate chop point of our hand just here. And we're going to use our 3 middle fingers, our middle index and ring fingers. And I'd like you to repeat the following statements whilst tapping. Even though I have this headache, I still deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this pain in my head, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I have this tension in my head, this painful feeling inside my head, I deeply and completely love and accept myself anyway. And then we're going to move to the eyebrow point. This pain inside my head, this painful feeling in my head, this tension inside my head, this headache, this pain in my head. And then we're just moving down to the collarbone, just underneath it. This painful headache. And then just a couple of inches down from your armpit at the side of your body. This tense feeling inside my head. And then the top of the head. This headache. Okay, and then if you just take a breath in and out. Okay, so focus in again on the feeling of your headache and give it a score from 0 to 10. Hopefully that number will have dropped now for you. If it's only dropped a little bit, or if it's still the same, you can do another session of tapping and you can just adjust the statements. So you can give your headache a little bit more description. So maybe it's a throbbing headache. You can tap while saying this throbbing headache. Or maybe it's a really sharp pain at the front of your head. Then you can say this sharp, painful headache at the front of my head. So yeah, just adjust it to your own needs, because everyone's headache is going to feel different. And you can do another session or another couple of rounds until that number comes down, hopefully to a 0. But even if it comes down to a more manageable level, then that is brilliant. So thank you very much for watching, and let me know how you got on with this video by leaving me a comment. Okay, see you later.